Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Been working on the mini turbo, so the wiring loom is now all complete. We've checked it all with the multimeter and everything seems to be all a-okay. Okay, so I've just wrapped the loom with, I'm going to call it this stuff because I don't know what it is, or where you get it or how much it costs, because basically my son got it for me. It's a aviation product. It feels like some kind of nylon. So you just basically cut it to length, and you can, as you can see if I open it up, because it wants to wrap back round on itself. Yeah, so you just tuck it around the wires. I've used cable ties just to finish it off. It actually feels kind of loose, the wires in there, so which is quite good because it gives them quite a bit of freedom, but it also protects them. And the other good point with it is that if you need to find a wiring fault, if a wire gets damaged and you need to get it out, you haven't got to unwrap all the loom to get the wires out. You just basically clip your cable ties, and just pull it off, and there's all your wires. Really easy access. So in that sense, it's good, really good. So, but it's looking a bit tidier now. Okay guys, that's everything done in the engine bay now. It's got a little bit busy in there, but I'm fairly happy with it. One thing I decided to do is put a intercooler in. So I put the intercooler in, so of course the location of the horn had to be moved, so that got moved over to there, so I had to make a bracket for that. And then where I put the remote oil housing, I had to move that, so I had to make a new bracket for that. I don't know if you can see that down there. So that's all housed down there, and then I had to make all new oil lines. So rather than going for the stainless steel braided ones, I've just gone for these kind of nylon black ones now. I think they actually suit the car better, but all the wiring looms in. You see that's all nicely tucked in there, and I put some grommets in the front for the lights, so instead of going under here where they normally do on a Mini, I've actually gone for a big grommet here right in the corner on the inner wings, so you see it more clearly on that side. Yeah, so various other little brackets and stuff I made, like I made that, or clamps, I made that clamp there to hold that firmly in place, another clamp on here, and that holds the fuel lines nice and rigid up there. Another clamp down here, just a real basic one just to hold that oil line there, but yeah, that's just about it now I think guys. So in the next video hopefully we'll be starting her up. So if you made it this far, big thanks for watching guys, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Okay, cheers for now.